Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Sadatul Akmal binti Suhaimi and my matrix number is 17DDT23F1029. First, I'm going to compare 4 different mobile telecommunication companies that are available in Sabah, Vietnam. So as you guys can see, I compared 4 different mobile telecommunication which are Celcom Digi, Maxis, U-Mobile and Unify Mobile. So for connection type, all of 4 of it has 4G and 5G connection, and then for the average speed or for download or upload for Celcom Digi we have around 40 to 80 Mbps, and for the upload average speed is 10 to 25 Mbps, and then for Maxis we have 30 to 70 Mbps for download, and for uploading we have 10 to 20 Mbps. For U-Mobile, we have around 20 to 60 Mbps for download, and for upload, we have 5 to 15 Mbps. And last one, for Unify Mobile, we have around 20 to 50 Mbps for download, and for uploading, we have around 5 to 15 Mbps. And then we move to the example cost per month. For Celcom Digi, we have around 60 ringgit to 120 ringgit. And for Maxis, we have around 79 ringgit to 129 ringgit. For U-Mobile, we have around 38 ringgit to 98 ringgit. And for Unify Mobile, TM, we have around 39 ringgit to 129 ringgit. All 4 of it are in postpaid plan. And then I put all the official link as the source. And then I'm going to explain about the difference between telcos. So first is the network coverage cost, which is building more towers and maintaining coverage in rural areas cost money. Telcos with wider coverage usually charge more. Second one is different internet speeds and quality, which faster and more stable network costs around more to maintain, so the prices are different. And then number 3 is spectrum license fees. Each telco must buy a permission, or maybe we call it as license, from the government to use network frequencies. The cost is not the same for every telco. And the last one is marketing strategy. Some telcos offer cheaper plans to attract students or low budget users such as U-Mobile, while others focus on premium customers such as Maxis. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Adiza Lili binti Asmi Murad with matrix number F1095. So today, I'll be sharing about 5G implementation in Malaysia and a quick comparison of troubleshooting tools, both software and hardware. So let's start with 5G in Malaysia. So, Malaysia uses a single wholesale 5G network model that's managed by Digital National Berhad or DNB. Basically, instead of every telco building their own 5G network, DNB handles the main infrastructure and telcos just buy capacity from them. This helps reduce duplication and speed up nationwide coverage. So for the rollout, DNB first focus on cities and high demand areas. You know, places where a lot of people use internet, and also on fixed wireless access or FWA, which helps bring fast internet to homes and businesses, especially where laying fiber cables is too expensive. Now, in terms of performance, 5G in Malaysia is doing pretty well, where its available users are getting much faster download, upload speeds, and plus lower latency, which means less delay. That's great for gaming, IoT devices, and even smart city systems. Currently, 5G is already available in many cities, and coverage is still expanding to rural areas, including Sabah Benam. So overall, the benefits of 5G are clear, which they are faster, more stable, and it supports a lot of new technologies like smart homes, transportation system, and even industrial automation. Let's move on to network troubleshooting tools. For software, we compare 3 options: Wireshark, PRTG Network Monitor, and SolarWinds NEM. So Wireshark is a free packet analyzer, which is great when you need to dig deep into network data. PRTG monitors your network in real time and shows alerts if something goes wrong. SolarWinds is pretty powerful, but it's more suitable for big organizations since it's quite expensive. If I had to recommend the best software, I'd go with PRTG and Wireshark together because PRTG gives you a big picture what's online and what's offline and how everything goes performing. Wireshark, on the other hand, are perfect for deep analysis when you really need to find out what's causing a specific problem. So when you combine both, troubleshooting becomes faster and more accurate. Meanwhile, for hardware, we look at NetAlley, Link Runner Flock Tape Cable Tester, and a basic LAN cable tester. The best one here is definitely NetAlley Relay Runner because it's quick, portable, and super handy for field technicians. You can get test cables like check in link speeds, verify PoE power, all in one small device. So it saves a lot of time because you can detect faults instantly without needing a laptop or complicated setup. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera kepada Puan Syarul. Hari ini saya bertanya dengan Siti Muhammad Syarif. Nama komentar saya T17 DDT23F1044. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan problem base test iaitu berkenaan test 2 senario iaitu saya punya part is part 1. And part 1 terbagi kepada 5 question. Okay, first is about question A. Part 1 is investigate consumer one technology for home and mobile device. Okay, question is look at the two home networks. What are the one technology in use? In the one technology, the two home networks use DSL and cable broadband as their one technology. Home network 1 is about use this DSL technology through a telephone line. Home network 2 is use cable technology through a coaxial cable connection. And after that, question B is about examine the connection used in the network topology by selecting the connections icon. The orange lightning bolt in the PT devices menu. However, over the media icons display the names in the white box at the bottom of the PT window. What media is used to connect the two home network is unused DSL network use telephone line and cable network use coaxial cable. What device in the home networks are directly connected to ISP is I'm used DSL modem in the first home network. Second home networks is cable modem. These modems are at the intermediary devices between the ISP and the local home router. After that, question C is click the DSL modem and open the physical tab. What ports are available on the device and what is connected to them? The DSL modem, the ports are available on the device. Power ports are connected to the power supply. DSL ports are connected to the telephone line, and internet ports are connected to the home router. What is the purpose of the DSL modem? The purpose of the DSL modem is convert digital data from the home network into analog signal that can travel over the telephone line and vice versa. What is the type of connection between the ISP or telco cable company network and the home cable network? The type is of connection between the ISP or telco cable network and the home cable network is broadband connection using DSL over phone line from the data transmission. After that, why is that separated necessary? Because the both services can operate simultaneously without interference. And after that, question D is look at the ports of the cable modem. What does the cable modem do? The cable modem modulates and the modulates data signal between the home network and the ISP over a coaxial cable. After that, what connection does it have? The connection that it have is coaxial port to connect to the ISP, Ethernet port to connect home wireless router, and power port for electricity supply. Each port does the cable from the cable modem connect to the home wireless router is internet cable connect to the internet WAN is wireless router port on the home wireless router. After that, where the interface IP address come from? The interface IP address come from the ISP provide the IP address dynamically using DHCP. question is, look at the smartphone. What is its IP address? The smartphone receives a static IP address is 192.51.100.100. After that, where did the IP address come from? The IP address come from via static from the router server. What data service is the cell phone currently using? Is cellular data or Wi-Fi? The smartphone is currently using cellular data. Let's connect through the cell tower. Thank you so much for me about test 2, part 1.
Hi, my name is Amy Azrina and my matrix number is F1073. I will explain for the next question. So, in this step, I will explore the business one. The business is a retail style store. It has a local headquarters where most of the business functions occur and 3 stores that are connected to the business one. So, the question is asked, what different type of connection do you see in use in the business network? In the business one, there are Ethernet connection used for local connection within each store and between departments in the headquarters. The stores are connected to the business one headquarters using serial connection, which represent one links between remote site. So for the next question is, what type of interface are present? So the answer, the store net switch has fast Ethernet and gigabit Ethernet interface. These are used to connect end devices within each store and to connect the store switches to the headquarters router. So for the next question is, which interface and media are used to connect the store network to the business headquarters network? The serial interfaces, WAN links, are used to connect each store router to the business headquarters router through the store net switch. So this connection use serial cables which are suitable for long distance WAN communication between branches. And then the question is also asked, why was this done? So this setup also the store to securely communicate with the headquarters through dedicated WAN links, ensuring reliable data transfer, stable connectivity, and centralized network management. It also separates local LAN traffic from WAN traffic for better performance. Next question, what type of WAN service is used to connect the business headquarters router to the ISP? And the answer, the business headquarters router is connected to the ISP or telco through a serial connection, the red line in the topology. This represents a leased line WAN service, which provides a dedicated always-on connection between the business network and the internet. The leased line is linked from the business headquarters router to the ISP or telco, then continues through the cloud devices to reach external service such as the central office server and other networks. So for part 2, I have to explore connectivity. So this question asks me to ping device within the business one and the consumer one network, also ping between the networks and between the networks and the web server. So first, I ping device inside the business one. So from the PC, from HQ PC under switch accounting, from the same PC, I also ping store 2 PC1 and store 3 PC1. So all the store PC successfully reply. Second, I ping device inside the consumer one. I ping from laptop 2 with IP address wireless router, and from laptop 1 I ping with IP address wireless router 2, and this device ping successfully. And the last one, I ping device in both network and the web server. So from the same PC, in business 1, PCHQ under switch accounting, I ping with the IP web server, and also from the PC1 install 1, I ping IP from IP web server, and these two devices successfully reply each other. And then for the consumer 1, I ping from laptop 1 in home DSL network and laptop 2 in home cable network with IP address web server, and also these two devices ping successfully. So the question, can all hosts ping each other and the web server? So my answer is yes, all hosts within the business 1 and consumer 1 and can successfully ping each other and the web server. This shows that all network devices are properly connected and routing is correctly configured. Is this a good situation? Yes, this is a good situation because it means the entire network is functioning as intended. Data can travel between the HQ, stores, home users, and the web server without any connections problem. So for the part 3 documentation, I have to create a complete addressing table about the whole map of network as a documentation that can use as reference in the future. So for the packet tracer, all devices already have a address. So I have to open one device and then list all the device in the table. So from the slide, this is all the device that I already list from the packet tracer. So that's all from us.